Hello everyone, today I'd like to show you how to say and how to write a very useful and very popular verb, like. If you want to say you like someone, you like something, this is the word in Chinese for like. 喜欢,喜欢,喜,喜,欢,欢. Please pay attention that the second character is a soft tone. 欢,欢,喜欢,喜欢. So for example, if you want to say, I like you, I like you. 我喜欢你,我喜欢你. So 我 is I, 你 is you. 我喜欢你. Or you like, I like something, I like to eat. So eat, it's 吃. So I can say 我喜欢吃,我喜欢吃. I like to eat. So this is a very, very useful word to express your preferences. So make sure you remember, how to pronounce these two words. 喜欢,喜欢. And you can also, try to understand how to write these two characters. Thank you so much for watching, and please check out other videos as well. See you!